Hello students, let me discuss definition of degree of a vertex V in a graph G. In this graph contains totally 5 vertices V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. The degree of a vertex V in a graph G is the number of edges of G incident with V. It is denoted by degree of V in G or degree of V. In this graph, two edges are incident with V1, two edges are incident with V2, three edges are incident with V3, one edge is incident with V4. For V5, it does not contain any edge. So therefore, degree of V1 is equal to 2, degree of V2 is equal to 2, degree of V3 is equal to 3, degree of V4 is equal to 1, degree of V4 is equal to 0. Here, the maximum degree among the vertices of G is denoted by delta of G, and the minimum degree among the vertices of G is denoted by del of G. That is, delta of G is equal to maximum degree of V, that small v belongs to capital V of G. That V of G is set of vertices of a graph G. Del of G is equal to minimum degree of V, that small v belongs to capital V of G. Clearly, minimum degree is always less than or equal to maximum degree. So that is del of G is less than or equal to delta of G. Next, odd vertex. Odd vertex means a vertex is called odd vertex if its degree is odd. Even vertex, a vertex is called even vertex if its degree is even. So in this graph, degree of V1 is equal to 2, V2 is equal to 2, V3 is equal to 3, V4 is equal to 1. So that means V1 and V2 are called even vertices, V3 and V4 are called odd vertices. So next we will discuss some theorems on a graph. So that is theorem 1, handshaking lemma or first theorem on graph theory. So the statement of this theorem says that if G is a PQ graph with V is equal to that set containing V1, V2 up to Vp, then summation of degree of Vy, Vi, I is equal to 1 to P is equal to 2Q. So here, or this statement can be say in another way also. In any graph, the sum of the degrees of vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. In any graph, the sum of degrees of vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. So students, observe here, in a graph G, that is a PQ graph. PQ graph means that P is number of vertices present in a graph G and Q is number of edges are present in a graph G. So that is V is containing V1, V2. Vp means that V is a set of all vertices containing P number of vertices. So that means sum of degree of vertices, each vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. So proof of this theorem is each edge of a graph G is incident with exactly 2 vertices. Each edge of a graph G is incident with exactly 2 vertices. Therefore, the degree of vertices of G are summed. Then each edge is counted twice. So that means in this graph, observe here, 2 edges are incident with V1, 2 edges are incident with V2, 3 edges are incident with V3, 1 edge is incident with V4. So here each edge will connect with the two vertices, means it count twice from V1 to V2 and V2 to V1. So therefore our degree of V1 is 2, degree of V2 is 2, degree of V3 is 3, degree of V4 is equal to 1. So then sum of all the degrees of vertices of graph G, that is 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 8. So that is 8 can be divided into 2 into 4. But the number of edges present in this graph are 4. So that is V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V1 to V3, V3 to V4. Therefore, totally it contains 4 edges. So therefore 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That 2 into number of edges in graph G. So therefore the theorem says that in any graph the sum of edges of a vertex is equal to twice the number of edges. So then next theorem, that is in any graph G the number of vertices of odd degree is even. Observe very carefully. In any graph the number of vertices of odd degree is always even. So proof of this theorem is, let G be a PQ graph. PQ graph means what? P number of vertices and Q number of edges. Suppose V1, V2 and so on up to Vk are odd vertices of G, then Vk plus 1, Vk plus 2 up to Vp are even vertices of G. So because our graph set of vertices of graph contains both odd vertex and even vertex. So here V1 to Vk are odd vertices and Vk plus 1 to Vp are even vertices in G. Then by theorem 1 or handshaking theorem of a graph theory, so what it says, previously already we are discussing about that. Sum of degree of vertices of graph G is equal to what? Twice the number of edges. Twice the number of edges means what? It is always even. So therefore degree of V1, degree of V2 plus degree of Vk plus degree of Vk plus 1, sum all the degree of vertices up to plus and so on up to degree of Vp is equal to even. So here summation of degree of Vi I is equal to 1 to k. First add all the odd vertices and after that add all even degree vertices. So that is degree of Vi I is equal to 1 to k plus degree of Vi I is equal to k plus 1 to p is equal to even. But summation of degree of Vi I is equal to k plus 1 to p is even, because their degree is always even. Sum of even number is equal to even only. Thus summation of degree of Vi I is equal to 1 to k is also even, because this degree of Vi I is equal to degree of Vi I is equal to k plus 1 to p is even, but this is this right hand side is also even. So therefore obviously degree of Vi I is equal to 1 to k is also even only. It follows that k is even because sum of even number of vertices is again even. Thus the number of vertices of odd degree is always even only. Thus the number of vertices of odd degree in G is always even. Thank you.